Hello again, friends. Sorry for the look, sorry for the voice. I have a flu and I can't get rid of it. It's already 1 week. These are my best friends. But I have an emergency fix, from the series Free Fixing for Friends. A nice lady, a good friend of ours, asked me if I can fix one of these garden lights. So what's the story? This one doesn't keep the charge anymore. So she bought 2 rechargeables from Toshiba, and probably these are the originals, 300 milliamps, 1.2 volts, and these are nickel metal hydride battery size AAA, 1.2 volts, 750 milliamps. So theoretically this should be better, much better. Point is that she said she can't open this guy. What we got to do here? Of course, a lot of corrosion. I expect that because you see these guys are open air, something like a solder on one of these panels. Okay, but let's see how can we open this up and replace the ACM. I believe we have some screws in here. Yeah. 2 screws. Spider net. Okay, we are out. Another 3 screws here. Okay. Oh, it's just a single one in there. Okay, same story, 300 milliamps. Alright, doesn't look so bad inside there. I don't think we have any problems related to corrosion or something. No, it's good. It's pretty okay. W40. This is the best solutions for this situation, of course. Oh, but as long as we are here, let's measure the resistance, and then we have an idea about how good they are. Usually a large internal resistance means the element is gone. Let's call it originals. 148. Good for nothing. Good for bean. This is so gone. Out of question. Like I said so many times, I have a special box where I deposit all the bad batteries, rechargeables, whatever. I never threw this in the regular bin. Then I'm looking for specialized bins in the shops, supermarket. They always have a bin for electronic wastes. What's wrong with this guy? Nothing. 93, 91, 91. Okay, it's like 91. Okay, these 2 guys, I believe they can still work or do some job for a remote control, but I'm pretty sure that my electronic charger will not see them like a good cell. What about this? 82. 82. And this guy, this is supposed to be new. Same, 82. At least they are the same. But okay, so now I have an idea about the internal resistance. Now the last test I can do is to plug them into my charger and see if they are admitted or qualified for charging. Okay, there you go. Nothing? No contact or what? Number 3 and 4 are still alive. This one, it's out of question. Okay, let's help these two guys a little bit. Let me have a boost power supply, 2 volts, a little help, 300 milliamps. Now you can see the display. Yes, so they've been over depleted. Now, still nothing. For number 2, 320 milliamps. Yeah, okay. Number 3 just gave up. Okay, let's push now the one with 2 ohms internal resistance. It shows up. It shows up just for a brief second. No way. So this is all gone. Yes, people, so I may say this one of these two guys will be in the light, but in the meantime, let's not waste time. I'm gonna let this charge a little. I believe I have some of this around here somewhere. Just got me one of these elements, one of this AAA rechargeable. How is this working? I believe. Oh yeah, look there. You see that? Let's suppose it's night. Now we should even have some. Oh yeah, you see that? It's changing the colors. Funny. It's working. Nice. 0.54. It's still good. Acceptable. I have to send it back. So I'm gonna force these fellows with a... I call this a stupid charger, you know. So this runs much faster. Okay, so I managed to charge a little bit one of these echoes, put it back into the case. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's working. I can see the light. Let's put all together. We have a gap here. You can see that. Screws, screws, screws. Oh, of course. Yeah, it's working. I have to put this in here. Maybe I should clean it a bit. Okay, so we are good to go. It's working and probably is charging. We'll see. But in the meantime, we have to take these two off because I don't want the rechargeable, you know, to get discharged until they are placed in the garden. Okay, so that's it for today. It's not a big deal, not a big repair, not a big fix. But that globe was stuck into the support, so she couldn't open it. Anyway, there are like 5 screws, so she couldn't fix it anyway. I'm pretty sure about that. But the most important thing, that it's working again, and she will be happy to have some crazy lights in the garden. Until the next time, please subscribe to my channel, push the like button. I'm waiting your comments too. Thanks to my sponsors, Radu, Vlad and Chuck. And of course I'll be back with some others soon. Until the next one, have fun. Bye bye.